Hey friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day so far. Today's video is a very quick unboxing. I've had this box forever, sitting in the foyer area, and I just haven't taken the time to unbox it. Before we get started, tell me what you think about this hair. I think it's really cute. I'm just really unsure of the color. So this is Ellen Wille Girl Mono is what it's called, and the color is, I think it's Hot Hazelnut mix. I still have the tag on it. Yeah, Hot Hazelnut. I think that's what it says. I can't see without my glasses, but Hot Hazelnut mix. What do y'all think about it? It looks super shiny. I've got two lights on either side, and I have a ring light right here. Let me turn this off so that knocks down the shine just a little bit. But what do y'all think about this color on me? Let me know down below if you don't mind, because I have to figure out what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm going to sell it, pass it on to someone else. So be sure and let me know if you don't mind. Y'all know, if you watch my videos, how much I love this wallet type, right? So this is the Coach, I think it's the medium corner zip wallet. I think that's what it's called. And it has the card slots on either side, you know, places to put other cards, bill compartment, and then this one has a little zipper on the back side. So I have two of these from Coach, so this one, and then there's a newer model. I have one from Kate Spade, and I feel like I have another one, but maybe I don't. But I saw this wallet, I believe I saw it on, there's a YouTube channel, and her YouTube name is JK World. I will link her below. And when I saw it, I was like, I've got to get it. So this is what it came in. So just this little box here, and it was on sale, of course. But here is the wallet. This is the Madison Multi in medium brown. All right, so here we go. This is leather, and I'm just taking some stuff off the little tabs here. So we have the fossil tab in the front. I did do a video about the newer model of the Coach medium corner zip wallet. We know they changed the little clasp here to a little bit of a bigger one. So it kind of goes like that and is a little more reminiscent of this one. This one has a little bit of an extra in it, okay? So it actually folds out like this. Coach one and then the Kate Spade, they don't, okay? So that's one reason why I wanted to get this one, because I knew that it folded out like that, and I'm like, that's a lot. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so probably 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then your license slot there. There is a back pocket for your bills. I'll link it below. I know that this is available in lots of different colors, but I'll definitely link it below if you are interested in it. This one retails for $64. I definitely didn't pay $64 for it, but that's what it retails for. And on the back here, you have your little zipper. It's just lined with like just a textile polyester type of lining there. It is leather, but it doesn't have the best leather scent. You know, if you're a Patricia Nash, Dooney, who else? Brahmin. If you're a lover of those bags, there are tons of other ones, but we know that those knock it out of the park when it comes to a wonderful leather smell. This, yeah, not so much, but it was a really good price, and I think it's gonna be really functional. So I just like that it has so many card slots, and it's fairly compact. Love it. If you want a comparison between this one, and the Kate Spade one, just be sure and let me know, and I can do that for you. Like I said, this was a short video. Be sure and let me know down below if you want a comparison between that type of wallet, and I'll do it with the fossil one added in. And also let me know what you think about this color. I'd really like to know. But thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.